Yeah. Now, beautiful waters. Look at that. See the railroad track in the back we was up on top of. This is some nice. Come down here in the raft. Down the water in the raft, you can see as it starts to pick up, you come up on the heavier area. See if I can walk out there. Beautiful place. Now this is nice. This is beautiful. Normally right over there on that other side is where we normally go hang at and socialize. On that big rock with all the white stuff on the tip. It's high. It's really high today. It's crazy high. Look at that. You can come down that on your raft. Nice swimming. That's where we come to party at. It's beautiful. Ain't nobody down here. Shit, y'all should have brought your bag. Oh, almost became a permanent part of this documentary. Would not have been good. We already seen this little salamander we thought was a snake. Spent a good 15-20 minutes trying to chase it out of a hole to realize it's a salamander. And then get outsmarted. Yeah, this is nice. Right. Baltimore Ravens country.